People call Winston's chimney service in the summer and want us to solve their smelly fireplace problem. The problem is your house is too tight. There's negative air pressure. It's bringing the smell right down the flue because your open fireplace is the path of least resistance, bringing air inside the house because you've got double pane windows, you've got caulking in all the right places, you've got insulation, and the house is tight. The house is a negative pressure system and it needs makeup air at least exchanging 8 times a day. So that's every 3 hours. When you've got a house that's too tight, the air doesn't get to exchange and it's bringing the air down the path of least resistance, which is going to be the fireplace. And if it's humid outside, like it is here in Washington, D.C. in the summertime, you're going to get a humid smell mixed with creosote and brought right into your house.